sing Old MacDonald? The strings on your guitar? Oh, that's how you tune it. Can you play another song? Oh, you're gonna sing Jesus Loves Me? Can you sing it for Mommy? Can you play it? Jesus loves me, this I know. Yeah. All right. Jesus loves me, this I know. Do you want to play another song? Can you play another song? Can you play Henry the Octopus? Can you play it? Henry the Octopus.